How to fix your Messenger microphone not working during video calls or audio calls. Now, this is a common problem when you're trying to call people and we are in call with people, your microphone stops working or it does not work from the start. So, to fix that, I'll teach you guys few ways. But before that, if you are new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now, let's begin. Now, if your messenger is not working, there might be some problem in your hardware or even in your software too. So first what you might want to check is that when you are in call that you are not muted. Make sure that you're not muted, and if you are not muted and it still does not work, what you can do is you can just go to your app store, make sure that your messenger is up to date. Search for messenger in your app store, open messenger, and as you can see my messenger is up to date, so I don't need to update it because there is no updates available. Make sure that your messenger is up to date and try to call people again, and if it still does not work, what you can do is you can just delete your messenger. Now try to remove your messenger altogether and reinstall it, and that might fix your problem because sometimes when you re-download messenger it comes with bug fixes and whatnot. So if still that does not work, it might be your phone's problem, so you can just restart your phone and try it again. So those are the ways that you can fix your microphone not working. The other way is your messenger not having the permission to access your microphone. Now for that, what you might want to do is open up your settings and scroll down till you find apps. Now under apps you need to search for messenger, and after you find messenger, make sure you open it and make sure that your microphone button is toggled on. That means messenger is allowed to access your microphone, and doing all that should fix your problem. Thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye.